Hi, everybody. My name is Rebecca, and I actually have been within the social work field for about 6 years now. I actually started off as a case manager that moved from second to first shift that entailed various roles and various day-to-day tasks within my clientele. And then I actually moved into a coordinator position working within supportive housing and still working with similar client populations, but just dealing with different aspects from homelessness to clients battling supportive housing. And then I actually was promoted again to program manager, where I oversee two crisis and respite programs that still manages clientele who are battling homelessness, mental health, and substance abuse. And I would say within my 6 years of being within the human service field, I've encountered many challenges. Some of my challenges that I processed and worked through entailed not only client engagement, but building client rapport so that clients not only build that trust, but also try different activities and different means of resources in order to provide better aid for themselves. For instance, some of my roles and tasks entailed getting clients to trust the medical field after years of deflecting doctors, trying to help clients see some of the good with maintaining their medication management or maintaining appointments. But I believe one of my biggest tasks that I continue to enjoy is client engagement and how to engage clients, even if you have a client that's very, very, very hesitant and skittish of trusting other people. I think some of those challenges that I endured early helped me to develop different skills to build up that rapport. So that's something that I still work with today. Something that I look forward to in taking this course, honestly, just learning as much as I can. I think it's easy for schools and just colleagues to kind of tell you this is how you do specific tasks in these sets of orders, and I'm just looking forward to building more knowledge and to how to think outside of the box, if that makes sense. um and so yeah, I'm just looking forward to learning more and engaging with all of you guys. So that's about it.